Good morning, all of you. So let me start with your chapter 5. We are going to start chapter 5 with the solution to the basic problem under capitalism. We are going to do so. First heading of the chapter, open your copy and write down the name of the chapter, okay, and the first topic of the chapter, the solution to the basic problems under capitalism. That is the first heading. Then before telling you that how the three problems of what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce we solve under capitalism through price mechanism, first we will study about price mechanism. Is it clear? Now write down under the solution to the basic problems under capitalism, the first heading, write down price mechanism. Write on the first heading, price mechanism. Okay, now what is price mechanism? It is price mechanism. So the mechanism in which prices play the most important role. All right, in which price play the most important role. Okay, now most important role for what? Most important role in directing the three, directing to whom? Those were the economic agents. Who are the economic agents? Consumers, producers, and suppliers. Okay, basically who are the economic agents? Those who perform economic activity. Who perform economic activity? Consumer and producer. Consumer does consumption, producer does production. Is it clear? So why it is called mechanism, price mechanism? It is called price mechanism because it is the mechanism where prices play the most important role in giving directions to producers, consumers, and suppliers in performing their economic activity. A consumer performs his economic activity, that is consumption, with the help of price. A producer performs his economic activity, that is production or investment, with the help of price. A supplier supply goods and commodities with the help of price. So all the economic agents performs their economic activity by looking into the price, and that system is called as what system? Price mechanism. Okay, so price mechanism meaning you can write two ways. First way of writing price mechanism means, now all of you write down the copy, meaning of price. First write down price mechanism and first heading write down meaning, and write down the meaning of price. The mechanism in which prices play the important role in directing the economic activities of consumer, producer, and supplier. The mechanism in which prices play an important role in directing the economic activities of consumers, producers, and suppliers is called price mechanism. Full stop. Then write. Okay, so prices play an important role. But how prices are determined? This is the meaning you people have written. How prices are determined? It is determined by the two forces. What are the two forces? Demand and supply. So this meaning you can write or. The other meaning of price mechanism, or the mechanism where prices are determined by the two market forces, demand and supply. I'm repeating again. Or the mechanism where prices are determined by the two market forces of demand and supply is called price mechanism. Okay, now you can understand. So what is so important in price mechanism? One is the price. Definitely, because it is the price which guide the consumer to perform his economic activity, which guide the producer to perform his economic activity. So price is important. Then next element of price mechanism is what? Where the prices are determined. In the market, by the help of two forces, demand and supply. So there are two important elements of price mechanism. One is price and other is market. So meaning of price mechanism you have written. Next write down elements of price mechanism. Elements of price mechanism. Next heading, write down and write very fast, all of you. Elements of price and if you will not able to write, then see the video twice and try. So elements of price mechanism, right? There are two important elements of price mechanism. There are two important elements of price mechanism. Number one, price. Number one, prices. Number two, market. Write very fast. Number one, prices. Number two, market. Now, first heading, give prices. First heading, give prices. Now, you need to understand, price mechanism work through prices. Is it clear? Through prices. And every goods and services carry a price tag. And by looking into that price tag, consumer decide how much commodity he wants to consume and producer decide how much he want to invest. Is it clear? So prices of goods and services both. So under prices you write, prices are the most important element of price mechanism. Full stop. Then write, under price mechanism, every goods and services carry a price tag. Carry a price tag. Full stop. Then write, consumers purchase goods and services by looking into those price tags. Full stop. Then write, similarly, producers do investment by looking into the prices of the factors of production. Full stop. So this is something important because I have already told you price is important for price mechanism. Consumers does consumption by looking into those prices. Producer purchase factors of production by looking into those prices. Okay, then how prices are determined? Change the paragraph. In same prices you write, prices are determined through the market forces of demand and supply. Prices are determined through the market forces of demand and supply. This I have already told you that how prices are determined. Prices are determined through the two market forces of demand and supply. Full stop. Then there are different prices, okay, but one of the price is equilibrium price. So write down the price where market demand is equal to market supply. The price where market demand is equal to market supply is called equilibrium price. Is called equilibrium price. Full stop. Then write on the second element. What is the second element? Market. What is the second element? Market. And you know the meaning of market. What is market? We have done in chapter 2. A market is a system where buyers and sellers come and where buyers and sellers interact with each other. Interact with each other. One for buying goods and services, other for selling goods and services. Okay, is called what? Market. Is it clear? So in your book, page number 72, market meaning is given. Under market element you see, a market means a system, a setup in which buyers and sellers of commodity are able to interact and communicate with each other and strike a deal about price and quantity to be bought and sold. This is your market. And you know there are two kinds of market. One is goods market and factor market. Next paragraph you see, goods market are those market where goods and services are bought and sold. Factor markets are those market where factor services are bought and sold. So next element you see in the book. Now underline. First element I gave you the notes. You write down the second element. What is the second element? Market. This is your meaning of market from here till here. Then there are two market. Goods market till here. Factor market till here. Is it clear? This much you people have to write in the market. Okay. Now, tomorrow in my video, I'm going to explain you people the functions of. So today I have completed meaning of price mechanism and elements of price mechanism. Tomorrow I'm going to explain the functions of price mechanism and how price mechanism help in solving the basic economic problem under capitalism. This I'm going to give you tomorrow. For today, this much. Thank you, children.